Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you fix your Tesla camera not working. First, let's cover some essential initial checks. Begin by visually inspecting all camera lenses for any physical obstructions like dirt, mud, or condensation. Next, ensure your Tesla's software is completely updated to the latest version, as this often resolves many glitches. Finally, try a simple touchscreen reboot by holding down both scroll wheels on the steering wheel for about 10 seconds until the screen goes black and restarts. If the basic checks don't resolve the issue, let's delve into software and system resets. A soft reboot of the main display can often clear temporary software bugs. For more persistent problems, a full power cycle of the vehicle might be necessary. This involves powering down completely for a few minutes. Also, double-check your vehicle's camera settings within the display menu to ensure nothing was accidentally disabled or misconfigured, which can sometimes happen. Environmental factors can significantly impact camera performance. Always gently clean your camera lenses using a soft, damp microfiber cloth to remove any film or residue. In colder climates, allow your vehicle ample time to warm up, as extreme temperatures can temporarily affect sensor operation. Additionally, be mindful of direct sunlight or intense glare, which can overwhelm camera sensors and cause temporary blackouts or distorted images. If the problem persists after trying these steps, consider some advanced troubleshooting. Think about any recent modifications or accessories installed on your vehicle, as these could potentially interfere with camera systems. It's also wise to review your vehicle's service history for any past camera-related repairs or diagnostics. If all else fails, the best course of action is to contact Tesla Service directly. Their technicians have specialized tools to diagnose and resolve complex camera malfunctions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.